Welcome to our channel. If you're searching for the best rice cooker that combines fast cooking, energy efficiency, smart features, and long-lasting durability, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're reviewing one of the best rice cooker options that offers real value for money and makes everyday cooking easier, faster, and more convenient. Whether you're looking for perfectly cooked rice, time-saving performance, or a reliable kitchen appliance, this best rice cooker is designed to meet your needs. Watch till the end for the full review. Please check the description below for each product link. Product 1. The Instant Pot Duo Mini is a compact yet powerful 3-quart multi-cooker designed to handle everyday meals with speed and versatility, making it ideal for small households or side dishes. It combines 7 cooking functions, including pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, and keep warm, supported by 11 one-touch smart programs for effortless meal preparation. Cooking is up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking, helping save time in the kitchen. The ProGrade 18/8 stainless steel inner pot with a tri-ply bottom delivers excellent searing and sautéing performance, while the dishwasher-safe lid and pot make cleanup quick and easy. Powered by a 700-watt system and UL and ULC listed, it includes over 10 built-in safety mechanisms for peace of mind. A stainless steel steamer rack adds extra flexibility, making this small appliance a reliable, time-saving kitchen companion. Product 2. The Zojirushi NS-TSC10 Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer uses advanced micro-computerized fuzzy logic technology to deliver consistent, high-quality results for both white and brown rice. With a capacity of up to 5.5 cups of uncooked rice or 1.0 liter, it is well suited for everyday household cooking while maintaining a compact footprint. It features automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheating cycles to keep rice ready to serve for longer periods. The clear-coated stainless steel exterior is easy to clean and designed for durability, while 2 delay timer settings add flexibility to meal planning. A built-in retractable power cord improves storage convenience, and interchangeable melody or beep alerts allow personalized operation. This versatile cooker also doubles as a steamer with its dedicated steam menu, making it a reliable and multifunctional kitchen appliance. Product 3. Designed with an easy-to-use single-switch control, it allows quick setup and straightforward operation, while the see-through glass lid with a stay-cool knob lets you monitor cooking without lifting the lid. The durable non-stick inner cooking pan ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, and stay-cool handles make the cooker safe and convenient to carry. It can cook up to 3 cups of rice measured using the included 6-ounce measuring cup, producing fluffy and consistent results, especially with japonica rice. The compact, footed design saves space and fits easily on countertops, while the included plastic spatula and measuring cup add everyday convenience. With fast cooking, dependable performance, and a user-friendly design, this rice cooker delivers excellent value for daily use. Product 4. The BLACK+DECKER 6-cup electric rice cooker makes everyday meals easier with a flexible capacity that yields up to 6 cups of cooked rice using the included 3/4 cup measuring cups for accurate portions, allowing you to prepare anywhere from 1 to 6 cups as needed. Cooking takes just 20 to 30 minutes, and once complete, the unit automatically switches to a keep warm function to keep rice fluffy and ready to serve. The removable non-stick rice pot and tempered glass lid are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup, while the included steaming basket lets you prepare vegetables, fish, and other foods at the same time. Designed with a steam vent to direct moisture safely away, this cooker also handles soups, stews, and oatmeal with ease. Compact in size and powered by a 300W 120V system, it delivers simple operation, versatile cooking options, and everyday convenience for small or flexible households. Product 5. The COMFEE Multi-Use Programmable Rice Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance featuring 6 digital cooking programs including white rice, brown rice, steam, slow cook, quinoa, and oatmeal, making it ideal for a variety of meals and side dishes. With an 8-cup cooked rice capacity, its compact 2-quart design saves counter space while still delivering enough rice for small households or family meals. The user-friendly digital panel and LED display allow effortless operation with one-touch programming, a 12-hour delay timer for flexible meal planning, and an automatic keep warm function for up to 12 hours. The stainless steel exterior is easy to wipe clean, while the non-stick inner pot and included dishwasher-safe accessories make cleanup simple. Built with BPA-free food-grade materials, A cool touch handle, and built-in overheating protection, this UL-certified rice cooker combines safety, convenience, and reliability, backed by a 1-year COMFEE manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind.